Maraming bagong faces which para sa akin nakakatuwa kasi we started as a small group of angels. I can see the originals here and then we have a lot of additional new family members which sa akin po nakakatuwa talaga and nakakataba ng puso for me kasi to have supporters like you guys is, really means a lot to me. And galing akong taping kanina and the other days I had a lot of work. Talagang parang napagod ako and masama yung pakiramdam ko. But when I got in here and I saw you guys smiling at me and being happy, parang lumakas agad yung energy ko. So, thank you so much for being here. And I know I've been really busy guys and medyo snob ako sa social media. Sorry about that guys. Pero I'm trying my best to reach out to you guys and I really want to say thank you for all of the effort kasi yung iba galing Jensen from far places, diba? Love you too guys, I really love you and you guys are my angels so I'm really proud of you to have you and of course sana the next when I get time we can go swimming diba sa Amana in summer para mainit diba so since naging model ako dun for the photo shoot so nag-model ako for the billboard so syempre we can all get you let's go swimming next summer so. And then good news of course yung upcoming teleserye ko sa TV5 which is Tasha Fantasia, yeah, which will be aired every Saturday 8 p.m. Pero iba na yung lapin ko.
Shy Carlos na!
Si Shy Carlos.
Okay lang.
Okay lang sa inyo?
Okay lang.
Sigla na kayo.
Okay lang.
And then, tapos I have one more good news for you guys. Yesterday, me and Nigel had a meeting with Boss Big of Viva, and I'm gonna have a movie. Ang title, To Live or To Love. And kasama ko dyan si Yasi Pressman and si Long. So we're gonna be start shooting in February already. And heavy drama. It's a good story. Maganda siyang kwento. So abangan niyo po yun guys.
We're so proud of you.
Yeah, thank you.
I love you.
Yeah, that's all. So again, maraming salamat at tumalaw kayo. And ayan, guys, if you upload the pictures, our pictures, i-hashtag natin ng Numination first, 1ST first, tapos ANIV, anniversary, ANIV, yun, para patry natin, di ba? Alright, so, pero first of all, gusto ko mag-selfie, okay lang?